Alrighty, another chunk of non-industrial private forest land. This lot was cut about 7-8 years ago, and as you can see, it's cut like a Shelterwood. We'll see when we get out there, but some big stems were, left behind. A pretty intensive harvest, just leaving enough to create a little bit of shade, temper the ground a little bit, while leaving a little bit of growing stock. But really what you're trying to do is open things up a lot to get regen. So for the oaks, it tends to work out pretty good. We got some white pine mixed in there too, but there is wholly oak regen in this place, so that's awesome. Nice to see when the silviculture works. So what we're doing today is pretty much removing a lot of the overstory. Now it's time to harvest the leaf trees. There's all that good regen left behind. We're gonna leave some trees for, aesthetics and to maybe help out with some more regen in some areas, but yeah. The white oak I got marked right there. Red oak's back there. So, I'm about 5'10", 5'11". 6-7 years of growth. That's pretty good for the oaks. Tell they got them clustery buds, the terminal bud. Yeah, there's some other stuff mixed in there too. We got some, birch and witch hazel and red maple and whatnot mixed in there. But yeah, we're gonna be cutting out the undesirables. We're gonna be cutting out some stuff that's big. We're gonna be leaving a lot of the pole size stuff. Get a bit of a 2-age stand in the future. Leaving some of the big stuff for aesthetics also, but yeah, even a sea of regen. It's still forest. It's young forest. It's actually early successional. That's one of the big things right now. There's actually too much mature stuff or too much stuff of similar age classes, so get some young stuff growing. Ran out of the oil-based stuff at the mill, so using the bark mark now, water-based. I don't know, allegedly isn't going to make me grow a third eye as quickly as the Nelsons, but the oil-based stuff, so I don't know, I think the oil-based paint shoots a little bit further, but after using this stuff for a couple days now, admittedly, it definitely doesn't give me a headache by the end of the day, so that's probably a good thing if I want to be doing this a long time. Around here we like the oak. Good commercially viable species. Sometimes they can be finicky to regenerate because the birch and the red maple will outcompete them, but definitely think this was a success. Consultant did the work last time. Now us procurement guys are in to do another harvest. White oak 20. Nice butt log in it. Yeah. 2 good logs. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, this is how we do it out east. You don't need corks. Whoa. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whoa, 7, 8. Hey, it's a sign, old flagging. Absolutely gorgeous red oak. Work our way on back up. One. 24, we'll call it 22. Scratch that 2. Ready, right here. Streams back that way. 4 big red oaks. This one's a real nice one. I'm gonna take that one, that one, that one. This guy's gonna stay kind of close to the stream and leave some, you know, old stuff. Got some skinny white oaks that way growing in, so something's gonna take over in the Overstory, and then we got plenty of good regen coming in. $18, 22, call it 20. 2. Alrighty, back at the stash. Oh, let's get this reloaded. Mapped out a skid trail that went that way. Ended up coming back. Paint cache, so while I'm here to fill up. Flavor of the day, Mark Blue. Toxic if swallowed, may be fatal if swallowed. Keep away from spawn, avoid breathing dust, get in eyes or skin or on clothing. Do not eat, drink, smoke. Only use outdoors. Wear protective gloves. Eye protection period. Adequate. In case of inadequate ventilation, wear a respirator. Okay, we're outside, so. Okay. Yeah, there's the boundary. Yep, okay. Now I know what's going on. Yeah, we're probably not gonna cut down here. Too wet, too steep. Everything's going over into the other landowner's lot. White oak 18. White oak 18-2. Wildlife tree. I'll leave those. Some bank stabilization. Another white ash. Beetles killing them all. 16. Yeah, 1.5 till it gets too skinny. Soft maple, red maple, whatever you want to call it. Pretty good. Okay, now I'm getting my oh, what the f? It's one thing I don't like with the bark mark. It seems to jam up more. Alrighty, got that wetland situated. Coming up here on the back side of the property. Oaks are a bit more beat up. Got hit by the gypsy moth. Excuse me, spongy moth. Dead wood, you know. Moth comes in, they get stressed out for a couple of years, get killed. And then they die standing. Top's blown out of things, you know. That guy don't look too bad. We'll get rid of him. Leave that white oak. Maybe leave them too. Nah, we're gonna leave that one, take that one. You know, little less aggressive in this area because we want to leave some more oaks. Maybe help out with some of the regen, but boundary going this way. Let's get after it. Nice red oak. Nice for Massachusetts. Double line because it's on the boundary. Oh yeah, beautiful 2-log tree. 20. Row 20. Had that last pencil for a year. Nice pentel. Had it for a year. And I lost it. And then I didn't have any pencils in my backpack. That was messed up. Had to go back to the truck to get another one. Oh, that wasn't very prepared of me. Got to pump up the gun. White oak, 20. One, yeah. Yeah. Call that 1.5. We're gonna get 1 log there, another half log out of there. Oh yeah, getting paid to hike. Black oak, 18. Half log, 1 log, yeah, 1.5.